I'm Pop Seagon, and welcome to my channel. Before you forget, please like and subscribe so I can continue to bring you more videos and you can continue to see them. Video today I'm going to show you 2 escapes from a rear bear hug. Or actually, Trevor's going to show you 2 escapes from a rear bear hug, specifically from Bagua Kuntao Silat. And of course, both of them involve you maintaining a relaxed state, controlling your center and controlling your opponent's center while you perform your actions. And the first one, you can see on a bear hug, the really difficult ones, you clamp the person's arms against them to limit their abilities. If I grabbed him like this, he could easily do all sorts of things, promote all of his force on one arm, which I couldn't maintain, or attempt to headbutt me or twist in a various amount of ways. But when someone really wants to hold you still for whatever reason, you see my clamping is they bear hug you and pin your arms against you. However, in Bagua Kuntao Silat, one of the escapes is this one. And that escape is straight from outward palm in section 1 of the 64 palms of Bagua Kuntao Silat. I'll show you again. You missed it the first time. And you can see he follows up. What he's actually doing here, as I mentioned before, I'm grabbing him, holding him tight, and he gives me an initial bit of resistance, so I think I have him. But then he drops his weight, steps around me, putting his leg behind me, coils on the inside, and moves his arm and coils outward. So even slowly when I'm resisting, you can see it works. That's the beauty of it. And it really doesn't take much effort to do it. You just have to make sure that you're moving your body in the proper way with maximum efficiency, and you're grounded and all your power is moving in the manner of expression and force, so that you're rotating your joints and muscles in a manner to maximize your efficiency and take advantage of the weak spots. He drops his center below mine, he gets control of the center, and I'm still trying to squeeze harder to hold on, but because he's used that coiling motion, that serpentine motion, and he starts resisting, it's like holding something twisted in your hand. It's much more difficult than you think. It's easier to hold it when it's just pulling away from you and you can grip it. It's different when it's twisting and torquing away from you and it's alive in your hand. Much more possible, much more difficult, but you require much greater force to do it. And he's taking advantage of that weakness just in the structure of that particular bear hug. Now the second one is, you saw that one's from outward palm, and the second one really comes from section 2, which I'll show later, of the 64 palms of Bagua Kuntao Silat. And pull me over and go to it. So, show you that one again. This one, same. He drops his weight below mine, controls his center, and then he controls mine. I have to go over with him. And while I squeeze tighter to keep him from moving, he takes advantage of that, grabs my leg, and does a dragon stance to put pressure on my kneecap and pull it. Now, he could easily break my knee if he chose to just drop his weight. It would be a demonstration while pulling the leg up while he just drops the weight into a silo position, and that would just break my knee in half. 2 escapes from the rear naked bear hug in Bagua Kuntao Silat. Thanks you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.